come for holiday?
Yes, holiday.
How long holiday?
2 weeks.
Okay, good.
My taxi/cab ride to Naclua.
Yeah.
Around the LK Metro area, Soi Bucao.
Yeah. Too many hotel, LK.
Yes.
Company. I think maybe 20 hotel, maybe.
Oh yeah, a lot of hotels.
Yes, a lot. Not Thai business, huh? China.
China, that's right.
Together, China.
China.
Thai LK before him restaurant, Lenki, LK, Lenki restaurant. And he have a rich man from China.
Lot of
Money make the hotel. Too many hotel, LK band, LK company, Thai company. Money, not Thailand, China.
That's right. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
China, Korea, and some Japanese.
Yeah. From America?
Yes, sir. America.
Yeah, I understand you. I know you because you speak English. America speak quick, huh? Quick, English, quick.
We speak fast.
Short, quick.
But yeah. In America, it's very, very fast. That's why people speak fast.
Yeah. America from England, huh? From England.
There's lots of English people here. New Zealand, Australian,
Yes.
Scottish,
Yeah.
Irish. Yes.
Because and I know for history America, America. Him see America, him stay America or before too many war with Indian, let Indian.
Yeah.
Old movie. Let India, let Indian. Too many war.
Well, you're right about that. I'm sorry, brother. There are too many wars in the world.
Or maybe 250 years, 200 years more. Huh? America, middle country, huh? Not own, middle. 200 years, maybe, huh? Same Australia, America, maybe. Oh, Thailand very own. Very own. Everything
Yeah.
slowly. Asia, own country, slowly. IQ, idea, not same. European, America, good IQ. Good.
That is right. That is true. The more,
Good.
well,
Everything quickly, big. America, everything big.
well, you know, the thing that I've found
Yes.
is that people like the freedom of money,
Yeah.
but it's still Thailand. If
Yeah.
I come here as a foreigner, a Farang,
Yeah.
then I am a foreigner. I'm not Thai.
Yeah.
And I have to follow the Thai way, me. I can't say this is America or England. I have to say Thailand.
Yeah.
And here I am back on Second Road.
Yeah. Second road. Pattaya have the big main road, huh? I show you big main road, Sukhumvit road. Sukhumvit road. Third road, second road, beach road. Four main road.
Yeah, I first hotel I stayed at back there, Planet, Red Planet Hotel.
Yeah.
new king.
New king.
Did
Yeah.
I came here last year,
Yeah.
and that's when the old king,
Yeah.
the everyone loved him. When he died, they grieved for a long time.
Ah, own king, very good.
Yeah, everyone says the old king
Yeah.
loved him. Beautiful.
Yeah, very, very good, very good, very good. Papa, very good. Son, 50-50. Now new king, son, own king.
Do you like the new king, the young one?
No. 66 year old.
He's 66?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
On in the picture, young.
Okay.
People, picture very young. Him lie people, lie any country.
Really?
Yes. Him lie for picture. Him show the picture everywhere. Around everywhere, Thailand young. For him own man.
But he's not. People don't know him like they know the old king.
Yes. In Thailand, people him know. Everyone Thailand know, and somewhere, some country don't know for him own.
Yeah.
You think in new king, young man?
Yeah, I think he was young man.
Not young, because Papa him from the king long time. Him start king 16 year. Him start from king 16 year to 89.
Oh.
89. Oh, 65 year old from the king. Oh.
But many people say they love the old king. Many people.
Yeah, number one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Him go with me every day.
Well, he did a lot for the people of Thailand.
Yeah.
He built Thailand up, and
Yeah. Everything for the people.
yes,
Number one in heart, in the thinking, people. Number one, family. Number two,
that loves your country and love your people.
and Papa own king. Papa own king him from son king number 5. Papa own king,
Oh.
Daddy own king him from son king number 5.
The 5th king of Thailand. Okay.
And him from the doctor.
Really?
Yeah.
Doctor.
Him prince, him from the doctor. Him doctor, him help the people, take care of the people, and in the body, you know, strong man, him knows strong man. Last time him kid have the one boy, too much sick, in hospital.
Oh.
Hospital, him want to block him same group baby and Papa own king same group. Him keep block for baby for boy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Him body low. Yeah. Him very good.
Well, let's hope the new king can do a good job for you guys.
Yeah. Good. Everything. Papa. Him have plan, have project. Papa, not him.
Yeah. So the father did everything.
Yeah. Do everything. Not him.
Well, he has to do something. He's the king, I would think.
Him only lady.
No, really?
Him.
Oh.
Too many lady. Too many wife. Too many lady. Many lady.
He has more than one wife?
Yeah, more. 10
Wow.
more.
Oh, there's a monk.
More. Not same daddy. Daddy only one queen.
Yeah, I see a picture of Queen too.
Yeah. Only one queen. Oh, 515 light side, huh?
Yes.
515.
Yes. Well, Naclua is actually a very nice city.
Sorry, where you come from? America, what name city?
Los Angeles, California.
Oh, Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Oh, I know Thailand. You know Los Angeles, #1 in Thailand. Too many Thai people. Los Angeles, Thai people.
Oh, yes.
Too many.
There's
I think maybe 50,000.
oh yes,
Maybe.
there's a small city called Little Thailand
Yeah.
in Los Angeles.
Yeah.
I mean, there's also Little Korea, Little Tokyo,
Yeah.
Little Philippines.
Yeah.
So you know,
Any country, huh? Any.
yes, many different countries.
I want to go America. I know lucky.
Why not?
No money.
Oh yeah, well.
No money.
In order for me to come to Thailand for 17 days, I say for 1 year.
Yeah.
It's
So 15. Not yet. 15. One. Next one.
15-1, and then there's soy 15. Oh, okay.
15. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, you just right there in the corner, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there in the corner is
Oh,
fine.
this hotel.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
Well, I have arrived at my location.
9 or 10.